I will start in a story. And this story, I think this story happened in 1920s, in the start of the 1920s. This is old story and nice story. And this story, we can know how is important the evidence in our life, how is important the trial in our life. In this story, this man called Fisher, and Fisher, I think he is a renowned person. He is the founder of statistical interference, and he was working in 1920s, I think, in Cambridge University. One afternoon, he fixed a cup of tea and milk to his colleague, Bristol. But at that time, Bristol refused to take this cup. She said, I don't drink tea until the milk comes second. This is cup of tea and milk. She said, I don't drink the tea until the milk comes in second. He said, there is no difference. She said, no, there is difference. And after that, the milk first, tea first debate started at that time. Some people thought that the Second War will start from this debate, because this was a long debate, and most of people disagree about this topic, about this subject, the milk first or the tea first, if there is difference or there is no difference. So Fisher said that I will do a trial, and in his trial he mixed 4 cups. He fixed 4 cups tea first and 4 cups milk first, and gave them in a random